Alright, so I have this balloon powered car that I've designed here, and just want to get it ready for production. So I need to make DXF files for the parts to be laser cut and mesh files for the parts to be 3D printed. So I'm going to laser cut the wheels and the body. So to do that I use the Save DXF for laser cutting plugin. So just click on Create, click on Save DXF for laser, click on the face we want to output. I'm going to set the curve to 0.01, and then it's going to ask where we want to save that file. So I'm going to make a folder to put all of those in. So I'm going to stick all my files for the balloon car into the folder there. So that's one for the body and one for the wheel. Now all my wheels are the same, so I don't need to do that 4 times. Once is enough. Same spot. And then I need to produce the mesh files for the 3D printed parts. So just click on the part that I want to 3D print. You see down in the browser on the left hand side it gets underlined. So right click on that, and I'm going to go Save as Mesh. And the file type we're using there is 3MF. So you can just leave all those settings the way they are. Click OK, and again that's going to ask where you want to put it. So put it in the same spot as the other ones. And I need both of those because they're actually different. So it's that one. Right click, Save as Mesh. Okay, the other ones are mirror image, so I think they're the same. I just need 2 of each of the other ones. So I'm going to go to that folder now and have a look. And so I have these 2 DXF files. I need to put that together in a single Illustrator file. So I'm going to start Illustrator. And I'm going to open both these DXF files, and this is important, just leave it original size. It should be scale 1 unit is 1 millimeter, but original size should be fine. Okay, and so that is the body of my car. I need the new file as well, so new file. The body of the car is almost 300 long, so I'm just going to make that 300 in width. And this is my new file, so grab everything in the body there, so Control A, I'm going to group it, which is Control G, so that it doesn't fall apart, Control X to cut it, Control V to paste it in my new file, then I'm going to stick it up the top. And then the same thing for my wheel, so Control A to select all, Control G to group it all, Control X to cut it, and then I'm going to copy it here. I'm going to do Control A, select everything. These are all cutting lines, so I'm going to change the stroke width of these to 0.001. That's 0.001. We'll tell the laser cutter to cut it. I'm going to make them black. Alright, so now they're cutting files, and I wanted 4 wheels, so there's my 4 wheels. I'm going to use the Align tool to line them all together. Key object distance 0. And I'm going to stick that up. Lock that up. Alright, now that file is ready to be laser cut, so I'm going to save that one. And that is the file put it in with the other ones. But that Illustrator file is the one you need to send to me. So to get your car produced, you need to send the 3D files, the 3MFs and the AI file, and because you need two, or because I want two of those printed each, you need to send a little note to say how many of each thing you want printed as well.